not. Hi Momentals, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and today we'll be checking out my brand new listing, which is a 1-bed, 1-bath located in Kingston 10, close to Macaw. If you know where Macaw is, very beautiful space, very modern. I recorded it before, probably about 3 to 4 months ago, when I placed it on the market for the first time, but the person who had leased it had to move out and it's coming back on the market with some new improvements. If you watched the previous video and you're watching this video now, leave it down below what the improvements are that you see that was different from when I first listed it. Alright, but enough of the chattings. I'm now ready for the video. When you're ready, run me intro. So this is the outside of the property, very beautiful. There is a security post right there where you have security. You also get a generator with the space that powers the entire complex. Let me give you the reverse of the space. Alright, you get your own designated parking lot. Alright, there are only 80 units here and I think about 12 parking spaces, 2, 4, 6. Yes, about 12 parking spaces. So even if you have an additional vehicle, it should not be a problem. So of course, going up, it's control entry. So that is it. That takes us on the inside. If you want to get a daily exercise, you can utilize a staircase. There's also a fire hose and a fire alarm system that will make noise if there's a fire. No smoking inside the building. That's one of the emergency exits right there. And then you have lighting denoting where the other exits are. There is a phone here you can interface with the gate or the security at the gate. We'll be heading to floor 1 or the second level or the first level. First level? The first level. So, bam, close. I like this elevator, it works quickly. That's me, I'm just coming from swimming, guys. If you want to stay tuned with my swimming journey and all my food content that I have been doing outside of real estate, go on my Instagram. It's Moments by Boothe on Instagram, alright? I'm doing a lot of food content on my Instagram. So this is upstairs. So this staircase leads up to the pool, but we'll check that out last. This is your unit. And it's absolutely beautiful. So stepping on the inside, let me just look to our left first. This is where your broom and your mops can be positioned. This is your kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, nice white lights all throughout, pendulum lighting right there. This is the space for your refrigerator, and it's not even a standard space, it's larger than the standard. So if you want to get a big 2-door fridge put there, you can. You do get a range hood on the inside, so this is one of the changes that was made from when it was first listed 3 or 4 months ago. You still get the lovely lower and upper cabinetry space. You have more than enough cabinet space. Alright, this is another change that was made. So the property is now fully grilled for your added security and convenience. You have double bowl sink. You have a built-in garbage can right there beside the sink. You have a space here that you can put some bar stools. This is just a bit protruded right now, but everything will fit neatly inside, and both the washer, the dryer, and the tub comes with the unit. There is hot water here, as you can see, with a tankless inline water heater. You get a nice, lovely fan. I must say, this is where your TV will be situated if you use a mount. If you don't want to use a mount, you can always have these holes filled. Property owner will sort that out for you. Very good property owner. This landlord is amazing. So if you get this landlord, you won't be in any trouble. He will cater to your every need as long as it makes sense. Alright, we have what's customary in all apartments these days, the lovely windy air conditioning unit. It is an absolute staple. So again, property was grilled for your additional safety and security and peace of mind. And then you can step out on your large balcony. Like, your balcony space is very large. All right. And if you listen around, it's just very peaceful, calm, serene. You can hear birds chirping. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's give you the reverse angle so you see what's going on. Lighting up top here. You have drainage here for when rain falls in case water settles right on your balcony here. Woo. Inside is absolutely cool and nice. Me say, if I had the 150,000 negotiable, I would definitely take this space on for myself. White walls, the white lights, like everything is just perfect to me. This is your bathroom, and come on, for a 1-bedroom, tell me this isn't a very sizable bathroom. You get the floating vanity, you get the drawer spaces on the inside here, alright? Nice large mirror, beautiful lighting setup, a place for your face towel or hand rag, have a toilet there, grilled windows again, range of shower head, built-in shower cubby or faux shower cubby. Alright, raised lip so water doesn't get out. And behind this door, when you close off from your living, dining and kitchen space, your closet is here. Alright, nice closet space. Soft close, of course. Alright, and then up top you can put your suitcases and larger items like comforters and large bed linen. Now this is your bedroom, large space as well. You can definitely fit a king size bed in here and still feel comfortable. You have a nice fan inside again, right? You get a 200-gallon water tank with your unit as well. And I just feel like this space, this 1-bedroom is just perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. So that's pretty much it for the unit. The only thing left for me to do is to show you guys upstairs where the pool area is, and then the view or the vantage point you get from the pool. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head upstairs with you and show you the view and the pool. Alright, so let's head on upstairs. We head into the pool. We head into the pool. Head into the pool. Head into the pool. We head into the We're off to the pool to swim. Off to the pool to swim. Alright, so we're not doing any swimming here, but whoever I get to lease this place, hopefully I can borrow your pool every now and again, you know, to get my swimming lessons in. I'm trying to learn. Alright, so we're on the 4th right now. Ooh. So last time I came, the pool was actually, not the pool, the elevator was actually not working as yet. So I didn't even know it brought us up all the way to the top. At the top it's just us. So this is your vantage point. And when you live here, you actually have 3 to 4 access points to this property. You have from that road right there off Washington Boulevard. You have from off Constant Spring, and you have from Lindsay Crescent side, which is right there. And then coming down Lindsay Crescent, coming down from Oaklands, you can make 2 turnoffs to get here as well. You have a restroom upstairs here. If you wanted to take the staircase, this is where you would come up. All right, and then you have a nice little corner here. Just based on how many persons live here, it's very much an adequate upstairs space where if even everybody wants to have their guests over, it won't be an inconvenience. All right, so this is the pool, and the pool looks out to downtown, more specifically the pier, not the pier, the harbor, Kingston Harbor. So the pool looks out to the Kingston Harbor, and we're in what, September now, 1st of September. January will definitely be nice for you living here. You'll be able to see all the fireworks happening that will be spanning from all the way over there, all the way over here, all those fireworks. All right, but that's the pool. You have some chairs, you have a table up here you can utilize. All right, and this property gives you a 365 degree vantage point of Kingston. So I'm seeing Red Hills, I'm seeing Constant Spring, I'm seeing Beverly Hills, I'm seeing downtown, I'm seeing Kingston Wharves, I'm seeing Portmore, right? Don't neglect that, we're seeing Portmore, and all the way down to Spanish Town side we're seeing. So this is truly a lovely vantage point that your upstairs rooftop terrace area entertainment space gives you. Well, I'm just coming from the pool, but I feel like I would just take a dive off in this right now. But as it stands, that's the showing of this property. I absolutely love it, and I know the last time I put this out, probably 25 people came to look at it. That's how lovely this space is. So it's going for $150,000 negotiable right now. So you can reach out to me at 876-819-9918 or akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm if you're interested in this property. I know you guys will be, and I know once I put this up it will go. So reach out to me, sooner the better, because a lot of persons will be vying for this space, I am predicting. All right, thank you guys as always so much for watching. Don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a lot of food related content on Instagram. I'm turning a food content creator and food influencer people. So I'm not only doing real estate, I'm doing food as well. So head on over to my Instagram, Moments by Boothe. That's where I post my food videos and my collaborative food videos with different brands. Very exciting stuff. Fun, enjoyable, likable, lovable. I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy viewing, and it helps me or enables me to bring out my more creative side, because when I'm doing these real estate videos, it's just a property tour. But when I interact with food, because food is something I'm also passionate about, different foods evoke different emotions for me, and I get to bring across different feelings, different looks, different aspects of my creativity. So thank you guys again. So if you're interested in the food stuff, head on over to my Instagram. If not, you can leave it alone and just stick it over here where I do primarily real estate. But enough of the chattings. Thank you guys again so much for watching. AB signing out.